Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce this nice looking 4G slim watch phone with integrated myFirst circle. myFirst Fone S3. This is a new digital smartwatch for the kids. The myFirst Fone S3 is a smartwatch designed especially for children. With a 1.4-inch square screen and a refined design, it comes with a heart rate monitoring and a step tracking feature to help kids meet their daily fitness goals. The phone operation system on the watch allows children to easily stay in touch with the family and friends, and enjoy features like messaging and calls, music playback, 2 megapixel camera, GPS tracking, and fitness tracking all in one device. This making it one of the coolest smartwatch for kids on the market. And that's right. And there's more included. You can chat with the parents. You can make a phone call with the parents, for example. You can, if there is trouble, you can make an SOS signal. That means the parents will get your notification, information where you are, and that they should go to rescue to you. And what's more, you have a lot of faces which you can choose from. You can use your own faces with your own photos, for example. You have a classroom modus. You can have an area where you are bounded in, for example. And if you are going away from this area, then the parents will get a notification, for example. The wrist diameter is 85 to 145 millimeter. It is only 1.860 Z. That's over 50 gram only. The display is an 1.4 inches IPS 240 display. The standby time is 1 up to 2 days. The capable touchscreen system, which runs as Android, and we have 8 gigabit storage and 1 gigabit RAM. Water resistance is IPX828 2 meter. That means you can use it every day, but you should not go swimming with that, or not so long, okay? Positioning systems are GPS, Wi-Fi, LBS, and GLONASS. So you are ready with a heart rate monitor, wireless audio, animated wallpapers, steps, goal achievements. The myFirst Fone S3 is an excellent choice for children entering into the 4G era. This smartwatch, equipped with a 4G LTE technology, offers kids and the freedom and convenience with a faster and more efficient performance for various fitness, health, and productivity applications. And as you can see, you can use the nano SIM, which is included in the system. That means there is a SIM card, and the SIM card can support network of 4G LTE and WCDMA and GSM band. So kids love it. And of course I love it because it's a really good myFirst Fone S3 smartwatch for kids, because everything is there. It looks really nice design, easy to operate with that, and a nice tracking function for parents as well. This is the 4G Slim watch phone with an integrated myFirst circle. And of course, you have to pair it, then pair or create an account for your kid, pair the watch with your smartphone of your parents, for example, and then of course your kid can start into the digital life, and you are informed if the kid is in trouble or the kid leaves the area where you like to do to have it bounded there, of course. Yeah, myFirst Fone S3. That's the kid's smartwatch. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe and give them a positive feedback. I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.